Sphere's immersive sound system represents the largest concert-grade auditory setup on the planet. Interestingly, about 99% of the speakers remain concealed from the guests. Every audience member is assured a clear, unblemished auditory experience. Our team of engineers have constructed beams that evenly distribute sound throughout the venue. These beams possess the
the beginning and just become when the sun goes down. Meet me in the Plaza near your casa. I am only one and I is much too few. Underneath the Roma, don't know what the country's coming to. The Romans do as the Romans do. While you underneath the Roma, sort the child of the Roma. Underneath the Roma. Hey.
Wow, fantastic. Come on.